We'll guide you through how to upload your resume to Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log in with your credentials if you aren't already signed in. Once you're in, you'll see the Dropbox homepage with folders and files. Look for the blue Upload button on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see an option to upload files. This will prompt a File Explorer window to open. Navigate through your computer's files to locate your resume. Once you find it, click on it and then hit Open or Choose, depending on your operating system. This action will start the upload process, and you'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once complete, your resume will appear in your Dropbox folder. You can now organize it by dragging it into a specific folder if you wish to keep things tidy. If you want to share your resume with someone, just hover over the file name, click on the Share button that appears, and enter the email address of the person you want to share it with. You can also copy a link to send via other communication platforms. This way, you control who has access to your document. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.